Okay, so the other day I got some gifts and I'm not showing you them in detail today because I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them or not. So the first thing we're gonna do, it's about eggs, right? So the first thing you might know, it's from actually preventing your eggs to crack. Therefore, we have this device here. So you would put your egg on top of it, and then you would punch a hole in the egg like so. So it would actually work like this. You put the egg here on top, and then you would punch a hole in there. Since I'm not boiling an egg today, I'm not gonna do it. The next thing, it's pretty fancy. It's a device where you see that here, it actually produces a sound called, or a song, smoke on the water. And apparently you put that into the boiling eggs, together within the boiling eggs, and then once the eggs are ready, it plays smoke on the water. You see here, smoke on the water. It would play, and one day I'm going to try that out. The only thing I can imagine is that here the hot water steam goes through some kind of like a turbine or whatever triggers that, and then it would actually make that sound. Boiling eggs the easy way, always store beep together with the real eggs. So that would mean you would just put it in there so that you don't forget it, right? And then we recommend from starting from the cold, blah, blah, blah. Please. Well, I guess that's all there is. And then I have some other fancy stuff. So we all know these pizza rollers, right? Or pizza cutters, however you want to say. And I also got a fancy version of that as a gift. And it's called the pizza bicycle. Both of these gifts I got from my friends in Germany. So it's called Pizza Schneider, which is pizza cutter in German, and Fahrrad means bicycle in German. And you see it's almost similar size, the cutter, but the cool thing with that thing, you see you have two blades, and then you could actually, with that bicycle, you could cut your pizza. So these are apparently fancy things they are, or we are using, since I no longer live there in Germany. So a fancy pizza cutter, which would be a bicycle style. And then you have this egg puncher where you punch a hole into your egg. How is that actually called in English? It's just called an egg picker. And then you have that fancy device which you throw into the boiling water with the eggs, and then it's actually producing a sound when the eggs are ready. Well, there you have it.